Factors affecting enthalpy of a reaction. Enthalpy of reaction depends on the following factors. The first one, physical state of reactants and products. We know the reactants can exist in solid state, can exist in liquid state, can exist in gaseous state. But in every physical state, the physical state is a representation of strength of intermolecular forces. It is a representation of strength of intermolecular forces. Physical state. Since we know enthalpy is directly proportional to strength of intermolecular forces, where if we are talking about enthalpy of phase transition, if you take, enthalpy of phase transition is directly related to strength of intermolecular forces. Greater the strength of intermolecular forces, greater is the enthalpy of phase transition. So enthalpy is dependent on the physical state of reactants and products. Second, if I take the second point, quantities of reactants, we know enthalpy is a extensive property. It is an extensive property. Extensive properties are those properties which depends on the quantity or matter, depends on quantity of matter. So this depends on the quantity of matter, how much reactant you have taken. Correspondingly, the delta H value will change because it is an extensive property. But if you take molar enthalpy, then it becomes intensive. It is independent of quantity of reactant. But enthalpy is an extensive property, depends on quantity of matter. Third one, temperature. We know delta H is equals to delta U plus delta Ng RT, and delta H for an ideal gas, is a function of temperature alone. So for an ideal gas, if isothermal process is taken, if delta T is equal to 0, then delta H is equals to 0 for an isothermal process for an ideal gas. Or for a chemical reaction, if you say delta H and delta U relation, temperature changes, your delta H gets changed in the process. So it is directly related to temperature, whether it is in terms of chemical reaction or in terms of ideal gas, it is directly related. Fourth point, allotropic modifications. For different allotropic forms of the substances, different amount of heat is evolved or absorbed. Example, if I take one of the allotrope of carbon, graphite, is undergoing combustion, the enthalpy involved is minus 393.5. Another allotropic form, carbon, diamond, if it is undergoing combustion, it releases minus 395.4. So every allotropes, different allotropes have different stability, different energies that has to be broken for participation of them in the chemical reaction. So the enthalpy change will be different for different allotropic substances. Finally, it depends on whether the reaction is carried out at constant volume or at constant pressure, because that matters ultimately what is the amount of energy. Because if it is carried at constant volume, there is no work done in the process. But if it is constant pressure, external work will also be taken place, extra work done will also will exist. So this is the factors affecting enthalpy of the reaction.